Hello, third graders. Welcome. It's lesson 2.7. Today we are going to talk about multiplication arrays. Now, if you forget what an array is, because I know it's been a while, right? If you wanted to show an array for 3 times 5, you would do 3 across, and then make sure each one of these had 5. 3, 4, 5, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. See how it measures 3 on this side and 5 on this side? And then we can count them up and it equals 15. That's an array, right? It has to be in a rectangle. So your job here, you have nope, not that screen. You have our math message problem here today. And it says, suppose there are 18 trombone players in a big parade. Find at least 3 different ways the players could arrange themselves into an array to march. Draw X's in an array on your slate. Well, you're going to use your notebook. Okay, so you're going to draw 18 X's. You should not have more than 18 X's. I want you to arrange them into a rectangle that shows how these trombone players might be standing if they were in a parade. And then see if you can find another way, right? If you really are on it, you can try to find 3 ways. All right, good luck. Now, what could we have done here? Well, I'm going to show you a couple of examples. I've got some trombones here. Before I do that, though, here's our objective to be able to use arrays to solve multiplication problems. And you can see the word array right there in our multiplication standard. So, important concept here today. Here's one thing that you could have done. You could have taken all 18 trombones, now yours will be X's, and just put them all in one big line, and they could walk like that in the parade. This is a way to show 1 times 18. And if you'll remember last time, we said anything multiplied times 1 means the other number stays the same. So 1 times 18 is 18. That's one way you could have done your array. Here's another way, right? Look at this. How's this different? Well, let's see. Let's count across the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 across and 2 wide. Oh, that wasn't a good 2. There we go. This is 18, right? 18 trombones. And the if we were going to write this as a math problem, we would write 9 times 2 equals 18. Right? See, we've got 1 times 18 equals 18. 2 times 9 equals 18. What about this one here? What would the multiplication problem be for what you see here? You should have said 3 times 6. Why? Well, this is 6 across, and this is 3 down. So 3 groups of 6 equals 18. Okay. What you're finding here are called factors. When you have problems in a multiplication fact, the numbers that you're multiplying together are called factors. So 3 and 6 are factors of 18. And so are 2 and 9. And so are 1 and 18. These numbers that we can multiply to get this answer, these are the factors. There's a factor. There's a factor. You don't need me to circle them all, but there's 2 more, 9 and 2, and then 3 and 6. Those are factors. Now, what about, let's hide this. What about 5? Well, let's see. What if we had 5? Let's try to rearrange these so that, oh, I drew on it. Oh, I drew on it again. Why is that drawing on that? All right. Ah, there we go. All right, I'm going to get rid of that stuff and that stuff. Put it over there. So I'm going to, so I know if I want to have 5, let me take some of these away for a minute. Oh, not that one. So now I have 5 along the bottom, right? I have 5 down here. So, okay, but I got it. I have to use these. So I'm going to put those here, here, and here. That's not an array. What's wrong with that? Top row isn't finished, right? So I cannot do 5. I can't do 7 or 9 either because there's no way to arrange it so that it would be a perfect rectangle like we did on the other 3. Okay, these are arrays. So here's what we're going to do. First, open up in your math journal to math journal page 48. All right, so I'm going to give you a topic and you're going to help me find the number model and we're going to draw an array. So the first one says 3 boxes of crayons and 5 crayons in each box. All right, got a picture of that in your mind? 3 boxes of crayons. Really need this to be bigger. Let me see if I can make it bigger on the next page. I got a lot of writing to do in color. Well, that's not bigger, but that's a little better. Bigger. Oh, one more try. I bet I can zoom in here. Ah, that's better. All right, so let's check out that number sentence again. 3 boxes of crayons, 5 crayons in each box. So you're going to write this with me. The topic here is crayons. Yeah, computer does not want to play nice today. Crayons. That's the topic. Our number model, 3 groups of 5, is 3 times 5. Now yours will probably be nicer than mine because you're going to probably be able to get in these boxes a little bit better than I am. But I'm going to go 3 across and now 5 down. 1 is already there. 2, 3. I think this was one of the very first ones we did. Like I said, yours is, I'm sure, I know yours is prettier. Like that. Hey, take a moment, finish drawing that. And what's the answer? Well, 3 times 5, I can count by 3s or by 5s and get 15. 15 what? 15 crayons. Number 2, 6 fish bowls and 1 fish in each bowl. So our topic, fish. What do you think our number model should be? There's 6 fish bowls and each one has 1 bowl. Excuse me, each one has 1 fish. What should our number model be? 6 times 1. Did you say that? 6 times 1 equals. And then, oh, we're supposed to put a question mark here. Question mark, question mark. In the future, you'll put a letter there, and it's called a variable. All right, so we need to go 6 across. Okay, and do we need to add anything down? No, we do not, because there's a 1 here. We already have it, 1. If we put another 1 here, then it would be too wide. So what is our answer? Ah, did you remember to say fish? Not just 6. 6 fish. All right. I'm going to leave the last 2 for you to do, but I'm going to show you what the stories are. So, 8 shelves of books with 8 books per with excuse me, 5 books of shelves of books with 8 books per shelf. So, this is going to be about books. And you can see 5 times 8 equals question mark. You're going to be doing that number model down here. 2 cartons of eggs, 12 eggs in each carton. Our topic is eggs, and we are doing 2 times 12. That's going to be a long, skinny one. Equals question mark. Okay, so take a moment, make sure you have that information down. And your job today is to draw the number models for both of these. To draw, I shouldn't say number models, draw the arrays, right? Use X's like you saw us do down here and down here. and then put the answer here. Don't just put a number. Make sure to tell a number of what, right? Books or eggs or whatever it is that we're talking about in the problem. All right, third graders, we're wrapping up there today. I will see you next time. If you need any help, make sure to reach out to me and good luck.